DIY Valentine's Day nail polish. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so in this video I'll show you a DIY nail polish hack for some Valentine's Day themed glitter nails. All you need is glitter of your choice and some clear nail polish. I'm using the Happy Nails Top Coat Nail Polish by Benicus. And I really like this one because it's made from up to 90% natural ingredients, which means that there are far less toxins in there than in regular nail polish. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. We're going to start by applying a coat of the clear nail polish, sprinkling some glitter over it, and then just applying a second coat to keep everything in place. We're then going to remove all the excess glitter, and you might also want to just have a sheet of paper protecting your table to catch all of the excess glitter, as this can be really hard to clean up afterwards. We're then going to do the same thing with all of our other nails. If you like, you can also change the colors of the glitter to get a more fun design. For example, I'm going to use some purple glitter on this nail. In between coats, you also might want to just clean your brush, your nail polish brush, to get rid of any excess glitter, as you don't want any glitter specks in your nail polish later on when you're not doing glitter nails. And also the glitter can dissolve a little and leave color stains in your clear nail polish, which is not something you want. And here are the finished Valentine's Day nails. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.